Hello everyone. In this demo, I would like to share with you how I access the motion pages already present on the CM904.C that came with the Darwin Mini. It had essentially 65 motion pages on it, but it didn't have any task program in it. So I put all 16 servo back out here so I can play with it. I use ZigBee in this example. So this is good old Zig 110 here. On the PC side, I have USB to Dynamixel, Zig to serial, and a good old Zig 100 up here, and they matched 1-to-1. So let's get this one in. Make sure it's working. It's on COM31 for the ZigBee for me. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, let's explain the code a little bit. So I initialize wait parameter, wait time per second. I call it init servo, and init servo essentially just go through a loop from 1 to 16 and put all the servo to position 512, and then just wait for a second there just to get everything get into position. Next, it hit an endless loop, and every time it hit the endless loop, it called LED off, which all it does is just go through the 16 servo again and just put the LED color, which is address 25, and assign 0 to it to turn them off. And then I clear the parameter button and just sit there and wait as long as I don't push anything going through the RC100. Well, in my case, I'm going to be using virtual controller. So as long as I don't push any button, it just stay there. If I push a button, it pick it up. If it turn out to be U button that I push, it sets the LED, and then it just basically wait for about a second. What is set LED? Set LED is have a loop going 1 through 16 again. It's called randomized color, and this is new. This is in OpenCM904C, and in randomized they have a new function called random number under the controller. I think it says number between 0 and 255. I create a random. So I create a random number, random color parameter here, and then because the LED color is only 3 bits, so I end it with this binary number to pick out the lower 3 bits only. I also print out the random number color so you can see actual number coming out from a randomizer, and also print out the actual LED color that has been essentially truncated and use only the lowest 3 bit. So that's what we do. So LED, once it randomize the color, it print out the I, that means essentially the ID of the servo, the LED color that is set to it, and then this command actually set the LED color, which is ID. This is custom. ID is I because parameter I, address 25 is a word. So that's command to set up the actual, to turn on the LED of certain color that you want. Okay, and then return. So that means we are here, and just wait for a second. So it will go through all 16 color, I put out a random color. Okay, you happen to push D button, and then it set the LED color essentially at random too. It throw the dice again, and this one is going to be a random MP, that's will enter motion page. And because motion page on this mini Darwin, the default MTNX file has only 65 pages. So that's why if you use 6-bit, that's equivalent to 63. At least, I know I'm going to stay in the legal range for the number of pages. Some pages are probably not set up, so some pages are called from other pages. So we'll see, but we just play with it. And then I print 999 and also print out that supposedly the randomized motion page so that you can see what it does. And then because of using playing motion pages, we all wait while a song is moving, just sit here until finish the motion page, whatever it does. Some motion pages are shorter than others, some are longer, who knows. Else, if you push up or down, we just reprint the button, and then you can see. All right, that's about it. Let's play. So let's see if I can download okay. Oh, I didn't turn it on yet. Sorry about that. Here you go, it's on. Download. You're the output program. And here I mentioned in the demo too. The CM904 act like the all-out system. When they said press button start a program, you had to turn the power off completely and turn it back on again. Unfortunately, so we're gonna wear and tear a lot on this switch. So I probably need to buy some more switches in case they wear out and resolder it. So let's have a look. So that's what I'm gonna do. And let's do it here. So if I push any other button, you see it doesn't do anything. Okay, if I push U button once, you see it change at color at random. So the random number was 235. That truncated to 3. That's interesting. If the random number 1 is also truncated to 3, that's interesting. I need to have a look at that. That's an interesting filter and number. Interesting. So if we put the again, it changed the color. So if I keep on pushing U, you can see it go, and then it go to black a little bit. Every time it go black, that means it went through that big endless loop. So it's flashing different color and stuff like that. And then if you push down one time, right now it's playing page 44, which happened to be some kind of invalid page, so nothing happening here. I put D again. Okay. So the page, if you saw it, page 18, and then page 18 calls something else, 55, so that doesn't work too good. So that's, let me do real quick on the D button, just push it one time, because it sounds like it sensed that I pushed D several times. So that's 4. Change the color, 4, but didn't do anything. Oh, okay, here we go. So it's right now it's playing page 38, and it does something. You can hear it move. Oh, here we go. Whatever page 38 is in the R plus motion, but it does it. You can hear different servo motor moving around. Let's try it again. So 9 is kind of short. Page 48, invalid. 20. Oh, there's something quick. 59, page invalid. 19 is a valid one. 10 seem to be valid. 12 valid. 19 pretty long. 50 no good. Oh, 40 does something. Let me put it down continuously and see how to like it. Playing 5 now. We go to 21 or something. It's 50 invalid. 21. 9. 30. So go back to D again. Every time I push it, randomize color. So we are doing pretty good from ZigBee, task program, interact with the R plus motion pages already done on it. So looks like we're in good shape. So 904C is going to be pretty much like a souped up, I guess, CM530 more or less, just like a Bioloid STEM.